Welcome back to another video, everyone. So tonight we're gonna work for a little bit. Finally got everything ready. Finally got everything set to go. So we're gonna take this house down, and tonight we're gonna only do a little bit of it. This video will be broken up into a few pieces, a few parts. Yeah, we're gonna break this up into a few different videos because I only have a little bit of time to work on it tonight, and then a little bit of time tomorrow. So you're gonna what?
I'm going to fly.
Don't get yourself hurt. Guess my kid's gonna fly. How did that work out? It just worked out because? Alright, well, let's get strapped up in this thing, let her warm up, and we'll head down there and start clawing away. It should be pretty entertaining. Can you get up there all by yourself? Look at you. Are you ready to take down a house?
Yep. So we're taking this house down. Watch.
Yeah. All right, so we're all set up. I got a better handle on this machine than I used to. Makes a difference that I got 5 hours or 10 hours of pulling trees down than what I had before. So let's see how this goes here. Cramp into this roof. You ready, Carson?
Yep.
Okay. Stick it right in the dumpster. Oh! Suppose we can get closer, huh?
Yeah.
Uh-oh. There goes the wall.
Yeah.
Oops.
That is a mistake. Whoops. That was a mistake.
Think we can get it off?
No.
Are you sure? so done for the night. It worked a lot quicker than I thought, but it left a lot of mess. That bucket's big enough to where it seems like I can't grab the small stuff. It gets a little tricky, so it's definitely gonna be some hand picking up, but it's gonna go quick. I'm done for the night. For you guys, it'll be like a flip of a switch. We'll be right back at it again. We'll see you on the following day from now, or the next day after that, when I continue ripping this thing apart. dumpster full, and it's going pretty smooth. Got most of this half of the house off actually, and there's a lot left to clean up and put in a different dumpster, but for now we got this one full. Have to call for a second dumpster now, so probably gonna end it here, guys. And it's been great. Thanks for watching. It's pretty entertaining. It's kind of crazy seeing a house just get crushed like nothing by this awesome excavator. It's working great. So thanks for watching, guys, and stay tuned, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.
So I got everything here. I got excavator. It's nice how it's very than ever that sunny out and that. The storm's coming tonight. And 1 second. There's an airplane coming.